Today we're going to make this Halloween shadow box. This one opens up. I can show you a little bit better. There's just a little doll in there, some graph paper, some little trinkets, and some black paint, and we've got a gorgeous little Halloween decoration. Let's get started. For this project, the supplies we're using are a shadow box or a frame with a box behind it, crepe paper or streamers, a little doll or a figure of your choice, various Halloween doodads, and scissors, glue, and paint. You can use a piece of Halloween craft paper as the backdrop. First thing we're going to do is prepare our shadow box for paint. Here I'm cleaning it up with a wipe, and I'm trying to get the sticker off with an X-Acto blade. This actually proves harder than it looks. And I finally get the sticker off, and I'm ready to check out the inside, clean the glass, and get ready to paint. This box is from the thrift shop, and as you can see, somebody was probably thinking about crafting with it before I bought it. One of my tips for shadow boxes is to use a piece of craft paper and cut it to size. Here I'm just doing a kind of a dry fit, seeing where my doll's going to go, seeing where my backdrop's going to go, and just getting an idea of how I'm going to fit everything in. So just using some craft paint, I'm going to paint the whole frame inside and out. While the frame dries, I'm going to fix my little doll who's kind of broken, and I'm going to make her a little dress out of paper. I decide that she's going to be a witch, so I start to make her a dress using this orange streamer paper. I'm going to use hot glue to attach the paper to the doll. Now I'm going to give her a little black witchy skirt and cape. I also add embellishments to her. Here I'm using a little bit of orange lace, and I've got some ribbon and other things that I will add to her costume as we go. I decide to add an overskirt for our little witch, and I'm adding some glitter to the edge just to give it a little touch of nostalgia. Next up, I make her some sleeves and the rest of her cape. And I'm adding a little hat from the craft store. If you don't have one, you can always make a little hat out of paper. So now that our witch is ready to go, we're going to go back to our box and put in our background craft paper. And here I do another dry fit with all the pieces I wanted to add to the diorama. Now that I know where I'm going to place everything, I start gluing everything down. After gluing down all the pieces, I give it a quick wipe to make sure the glass is clean, and voila! Your shadow box is ready to hang for a great Halloween decoration. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.